Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah with Sarah Plans Life, and today we are planning the week of October 12th through the 18th. So let's look at the current week that we're on right here. It's going great. This is going to send me into an early grave, but it's fine. Honestly, it's because I procrastinated a bit today, and so I'm pretty much having to do everything tomorrow. But it's fine because we're going to make it. This is going to happen. But yeah, so my ultrasound today went awesome. My lining looks perfect. Actually, the clinic, when they sent me my email telling me that they got the results from the ultrasound, they were like, yeah, your lining is very pretty. I'm like, oh, that's a lovely compliment. So I start progesterone on Sunday, and I'm so excited. So I'm actually filming this on Thursday. I'm filming this so that I have some time to edit tomorrow, and when the kids go to bed, I'll be able to pack instead of trying to film and edit tomorrow. So that's that. So this week is going to be interesting. I just have this kit here, kind of a kit. It's technically an add-on, I think. It's from Planner Penny. I bought this a long time ago. Like when I first started planning, with like stickers and stuff, because I thought it was cute and I was like, oh, this will be perfect. And now I'm just like, oh God, like I don't know what I'm going to do with this. So I've got some extra stickers on the side that hopefully I can use, but I'm going to be gone for the first part of the week. We really don't have much going on Wednesday. It's mainly just me unpacking all of the family stuff and then packing my stuff for my trip because it is transfer week. So exciting. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to do my outline real quick with the weather just so that I can kind of just have that done out of the way, and then we'll just get started on planning. And this will probably be a pretty short video just because I don't have much to fill out. So I will be right back. Okay, here we go. That was a bit more difficult than I thought it would be. These little things, man, I didn't even try too hard to get them straight, honestly, because I was just having a rough time. And then these little banner stickers are super cute, but I wasn't sure how to do them with Weekend without it taking up a ton of space. So that's what we got. Okay, so my brother is going to be coming into town on Monday. We are going to be gone in Galveston, but my father-in-law is going to be here at the house watching our dog. So I guess I'll put this here. I mean, he's going to be coming into town in the evening. So how do you think you put this one down? Maybe like this? I don't know, man. It looks fine. Okay, and then I'm going to be uploading a video here. I'm going to put that down at 9 a.m. because that's when this video is going to go live at 9 a.m. Where's my sticker? Okay, and then I'm going to try using, so I got these in, was this the fall surprise box? No, actually, I think this was the summer surprise box that I got these highlighters. So I'm going to try and use this as just kind of highlighting around it to kind of make it look like a sticker. Since this isn't something I'm going to be moving. Let's see. How's that look? I mean, it looks fine on camera, I guess, but I don't know. It's just a lot. Okay, so that's it for Monday. I'm uploading the video, and then my brother's coming. And then we come home here on this day, but I have to start my Z-Pack. Oh, and so does my husband. So James and I both have to take azithromycin. We both have to start azithromycin that day, which I'm not sure why he has to take it since he's not coming with me, but it's fine. He can take it for 3 days and be fine. So we're both starting that then. Oh, I forgot about these. So I put all my stickers here that I'm planning on setting out. But I forgot I got these from Planner Kate this week. They just came in the mail. So what I've been doing is I've been having, this week doesn't count, I've been having these here, nice habit tracker box here for my meds. But I realized that I didn't like, because I take pills in the morning and then I have pills in the evening as well. Plus I'll be starting my shots, my progesterone shots in the evening. So this week I started it where I have my morning meds and my evening meds, and I've liked that. So I bought these AM routine and PM routine stickers to try and do it that way. So I'm going to put that up here. So I'm going to put those down real quick. Okay, there we go. So I got all those down. That kind of adds a little extra something to the page. I think that's real nice. Okay, so I got that. So we get home from Galveston this night. So maybe I'll put like this down. Saying like drive home or something along those lines. I'm hoping we'll be back early enough for Juliette to do Little Phoenix. But I'm not going to put that in there just in case we don't get there in time. And then Wednesday's going to be a lot. So Wednesday I'm going to clean the house. I got to do laundry. Got to do laundry this day. Cleaning the house. And then I'm actually going to write this stuff down now while I'm thinking about it. But I need to pack my own bag. I borrowed a bag from Stephanie that I'm really excited to use. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's like a really just oversized purse that will be able to fit under the seat in front of me, so that hopefully I won't have to worry about putting things in the overhead bins, because I'm going to be traveling alone and I will have the clinic will put me on a weight restriction, so I won't be allowed to lift anything heavier than 20 pounds. And even though I don't think my suitcases will be 20 pounds, I don't want to have to lift anything into the overhead bins. I really want this transfer to work, so I'm going to be trying my hardest to make sure that I do everything possible to make sure that it works. So my flight leaves at 10 a.m. on Thursday. Ooh. So I'm just gonna put this smack dab right there in the middle. And I've got this cute travel doodle girl. Oof, I love her. Okay, so then I need to make sure, it's flight at 10 a.m. Okay. And then I'm putting the kids' stuff in here because I am going to need to write their schedule down for James. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print out like a free planner, like daily sheet, so that he can see the exact hours that the kids have. You know, the kids have their taekwondo. And because they both have taekwondo. Scotty has a belt test. Juliette has her belt test. I'm missing her first belt test, but I've already said that. Still just disappointing. But I decided to go ahead with the transfer on this day because I was okay missing her belt test because it will be easier than trying to deal with Scotty's school and stuff while I was gone. And I just didn't want to have to wait an extra week. I didn't want to make Jake and Matthew have to wait an extra week. I didn't want to have to wait an extra week before transfer. Like, I just the 16th just felt right. So that's that. I have spoken. So put these taekwondo stickers down. Now I'm trying to figure out how I want to put down their belt test stickers. I guess I'm probably just going to put hers. Oops, okay. So I'm going to put Little Phoenix right here. You can still read it even though I didn't white out the time because I'm lazy and I didn't bring my whiteout with me. That's just how it is. Little Phoenix belt test. I'm so excited for her to do her belt test. Like, she's so ready. There's some things we do need to practice with her still. But really, other than that, that girl is ready. Hopefully this sticker stays down. These Erin Condren stickers do not stick very well. Okay, so then I want to do some self-care too the night before the transfer. I got this really great yoga app, so I'd like to do some meditating just to kind of help me sleep the night before the transfer and to just kind of put myself in a good space before the transfer. Y'all, I just want everything to work out perfectly. So that's what we're doing. We're making it happen. And since my mom's going to be there with me, it's a girls' weekend. Look how cute that sticker is. Okay. Anyway, so transfer on this day. And starting my steroids. So I start my steroids this day. And that one's just me. And I think I only take it for like 3 days. Like, they sent me 3 pills. It's awesome. So there's that. Then I'm bummed because I completely didn't realize that I do not have an embryo transfer sticker anymore. I used my last one with the last transfer. So I'm gonna have to write that one in, which obviously isn't a huge deal, but like, you know, I like when I have like fancy stickers for like fun events like that. Sorry, I forgot to put this laundry doodle girl here. Okay, and then let's put this coffee doodle girl down too while I'm at it. Drink some coffee at the beach. Okay, so he's got taekwondo here. Got that there. Okay, and then, so I'm going to put down Scotty's belt test. I have one of these cute little box stickers with the bow on it. I'm going to use this sticker. Oof. Focusing. We're going to use this sticker to block out the time. And then once I know what time it's going to be at, I'm going to write it in there. So that's just perfect. Belt test. And this fits just nicely right next to it. Okay, and then my flight home is Saturday. So another quick trip, not a big deal. My flight leaves San Diego at 2:40, so I don't actually get in here until, I think my flight lands at like 7:40. So I'm not going to get home until late-ish, depending on traffic, essentially. Golly, she's so cute. That little doodle girl is so cute. And that's it for Saturday. And then Sunday is my son's birthday. Yes. He's going to be 7. I can't believe it. He's so old. I need to find time tomorrow to go, along with all of the other things I'm doing tomorrow. Hopefully I can find time to go to Target because we still need to order his birthday cake. If I don't do it then, which I'm thinking I might not, I might just wait and do it Wednesday, or even send James and the kids to do it Thursday or Friday to just go and order it. Because, you know, they just need to go to Target and just run in and tell them, hey, this is the cake we want and this is when we want it, and like that's it. So it looks like I have all of my stickers down here. There's still a bunch of decorative stickers left. So let's just start throwing these down here because I just love these decorative stickers. And the thing is that things aren't going to be popping up, if that makes sense. So like on a regular week, I prefer not to throw a bunch of decorative stickers down in the Times just in case something pops up. But this is one of those weeks where we're going to be in Galveston. So things aren't like appointments aren't going to, happen on Monday or Tuesday. I'm going to be home and taking care of things, so nothing's going to pop up then. And then I'm going to be in San Diego these 3 days. So again, nothing's going to pop up there. And then this is my son's birthday. Like, we're not going to let anything pop up there. So I'm going to go through and just throw a bunch of these decorative stickers down. Oh, let's stop this fast forward here real quick. So I can talk to y'all real quick because I just realized I'm laying down a Harry Potter kit and I have not even mentioned J.K. Rowling. So she has come out recently talking very transphobic things on her Twitter. Like she does. She's just decides to post random things on Twitter. And it is not okay. It is not okay to be transphobic. It is okay to be unknowledgeable. It's okay to be curious and to ask questions. I think that's very good. I think that's good to know you're ignorant and want to look things up and learn about transgender people, because I mean, I didn't know anything about transgender people like before I started going to my church and started being educated at my church about transgender people and how, you know, they are horrifically targeted in everyday life, and it's just awful. So I do not agree with the things that J.K. Rowling has posted on Twitter and the things that she has said. However, the Harry Potter series is very special to me. I just used 2 of these. I grew up watching the movies. I grew up reading the books. Like, Harry Potter has been a huge part of my life, and I love Harry Potter. I'm using 2 Harry Potter kits this month. I'm using one here, and then I'm using one on Halloween because I am a Slytherin, and I accept that. So, you know, with a lot of things, it's really hard to separate the art from the artist. Like, that's just, you know, there's not very many artists you can do that with. Because I feel like that's not, you can't just say, well, if you can't separate the art from the artist on this thing, then you can't do it for anyone. And I don't think that's true. I think you can separate the art from the artist for specific things. So for me, with Harry Potter, like, it's not hers anymore. Like, at this point, like, it is ours. It is everyone's. I read more Harry Potter fan fiction than I do anything else. That's okay. No judging here. This is a no judgment zone. I love fan fiction. I love reading, you know, other people's twist on characters and things that they think could have happened. And I just think it's fantastic. And so for me, I can love Harry Potter and not like the person who created it. So yeah, that's my spiel on Harry Potter and that whole ordeal. So I'm all done putting down all the decorative stuff. This looks so busy, and I actually kind of love it. So I'm going to go through and write everything out, and then I will be right back to quickly wrap up, because I thought this would be a fast video, but it is turning out not to be, and it's going to be a regular length video. So I will be right back. Okay, here it is with everything written in. It looks awesome. I'm so excited. I love how it turned out. This planner penny kit is so cute. I really like these stickers. I like how they are cut. I saw that she is having a sale in her Etsy shop starting the week of the 19th. So I might have to buy some more because I really like how these turned out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put out Plan With Me's every Monday. Thank you for sticking around for this crazy kind of Plan With Me. I hope everyone has a wonderful week, and I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.